Ito na ngayon ang bagong favorite ni Zira.
Apa.
Tiki 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 dong, tiki 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 dong, tiki 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 dong. Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aming channel. Happy Friday! So, andito kami ngayon sa Walmart. Supposedly, ngayon yung appointment ni Zelda sa surgeon. Kaso, bago kami umalis ng bahay, tinawagan nila kami and kinancel nila yung appointment. Dapat ang appointment namin ngayon ay 10:45. Nagmadali pa to umuwi si Mister para makapunta kami doon. Kaso, ayun, bigla nilang kinancel kasi meron daw surgery yung yung doktor. Kaya pumunta na lang kami dito sa Walmart. Ang aga pa naman, 9:26 AM. Medyo nakakainis. Paano kung nandun na kami, on the way na talaga kami? Malayo yun sa Hartford. Isn't it Hartford? So, nireschedule na lang kami. Ay, lagi na lang nare-reschedule yung ni Zelda. Yung kanyang appointment sa doktor. Dumaan muna kami ng Dunkin Donuts. No, sorry. Meron pala tong hindi namin alam na meron siyang lalagyan. So, ayan, medyo disappointed kami, pero
Did you tell them why she needs to go to the doctor?
Yeah.
That she has a weird thing.
Ulan kanina, pero ngayon hindi na umuulan, pero makulimlim siya. Zelda, to the camera. Zelda. She's gonna sit on the Walmart cart and she's wearing a dress. So, I'm annoyed at you. It's your fault.
It's your fault. Did you tell them she kept bothering them? She called them repeatedly.
Why? Just twice.
That's repeatedly.
It's
To ask
just
one
twice.
question, she called 2 times to
Yes,
ask
because I
one
want to
question.
make sure that I understood it correctly. Because there,
Sadie, eat your bacon.
remember,
Eat your bacon. Don't touch me.
like what happened today. That woman, gave us a wrong information. So what if the first woman that I talked
Who
to,
gave wrong
the
information?
other woman that we talked to, who said about the email address, and then the other woman has a different information.
Who knows?
See? So I just want to make sure that I got it correctly. Kasi tinanong ko sila kung pwedeng i-cancel the same day. So sabi nung rep na nakausap ko, pwede daw. Kaso parang hindi ako masyadong naniwala, kaya tumawag ulit ako kinabukasan. Pero yun nga, sinabi pwede
I
naman.
know. Baby's got nothing to eat. I don't get any foodies. What about me?
Look at her on the camera. Sorry, look at the camera. Hi! Babe, hi. Hi! You're not...
Sadie, eat your bacon, baby.
Babe, hi. Hi!
Eat your bacon.
Hi! She likes the... she's more interested in the food. Do you think she is together? Gonna drive? Dito na tayo sa loob ng Walmart, guys. So far, itong ating laman. Puro damit. At mga... I think 1 box is it. Well, not 1 box. Just one small pack. It's not Huggies. It's, Rascals. Bibilhan namin si Zeta ng hat. Kasi gusto niya ng hat. Ooh, so pretty. Pretty hat. Get a pretty hat. Hello Kitty hat. And then shoes. Dito lang namin madalas bilhan to ng mga damit. Tapos, inibilhan ko rin sila sa online. Yeah. Rascal size is big. I think she still has 1 pack there. No, she doesn't need one. Is that the wet wipes? Yeah. Love, I want the one that is scent.
This is no scent.
I want the one that is scent, like the one that we're using in the car.
It's baby fresh scent.
Just use that one. It's okay. Zeta. I don't know where that is. You're the one who got it last time. Si Zeta may weird siyang ginagawa ngayon. Kino-cover niya yung face niya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Nagsimula siya kahapon. Kaya dito naman tayo sa mga chocolates. Kumuha si Mr. ng kanyang dark chocolate. Kanina may nakitang baby din si Zelda na nakasakay sa stroller, nagbe-baby hi. Baby hi. Siyempre ang ating jasmine rice. I think they still have a lot of jasmine rice there. Baka maubusan. Si Mr. ang natatakot maubusan ako ng jasmine rice. Kumakain na din siya ng rice. Ding, digi, 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 dong. Digi, 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 dong. Digi, digi, ding, dong. Konti pa lang yung laman ng cart namin. Siguro konti lang yung papamilhin namin ngayon. I need that. Cup noodles. Try the... what's that chicken?
You don't like sesame.
Teriyaki beef, Korean. Sweet chili. Ding, digi, 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 dong.
You don't even like these. Every time you eat them, you say,
Ito na ngayon ang bagong favorite ni Zeta. Croissant.
no.
That's what he wants.
702.
Why? That's the longest. This one, 7022. The others are 630. 702. See? No.
You didn't even think about it. It just happened.
Gonna show you the camera.
That doesn't count. You just got lucky.
I know, you got lucky. I know. I saw it here. It's 6 something and then 702.
No.
Ay, nako. Meron pa yung cherries dito, chicken nuggets, and Zelda. Meron pa yung sa mga fruits. Of course, hindi mawala ang fruits. Meron ding avocado. Kumuha si Mr. ng avocado. It's favorite ni Zelda in the morning. And Zeta, avocado. What's that onion? Why don't you get the red onion? Grapes, strawberries, and blueberries. Zelda's favorite, blueberries. Ate, what's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit? Ding, diggy, 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 dong. Ding, diggy, 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 dong. Diggy, 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 dong. Diggy, 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 dong. Zeta, so na kami sa aming grocery shopping. Check out na tayo. I'm sure si Zeta mag-aalyan na naman to sa bathroom. Na kaming grocery shopping sa Walmart. Zeta, si
What is
Zeta.
that hat?
I don't know.
The hat is.
Yung pinamili namin ngayon is $339.
I know how much the hat is.
Hat? I can't check it. Later, I'm gonna check it. Pero ang mahal. Wala naman kami masyadong binili meat ngayon. Linggo. Normally, $300 lang. Hindi ko alam kung bakit siya naging $339. Zelda? You waving hi? Are you gonna do Zelda or Zeta?
So,
Zeta, come on. Come on. Careful. Ate, ha? Stay away from the cars. Cars are...
Scary.
Yes, cars are scary. Pinapahanap ni Mr. kung magkano yung hat ni Zeta. Ladies wear. Why is it $14? Jasmine. Oh, no hat here.
ladies wear $14. Maybe we got the hat for free.
No, Oh, I saw it that she swiped it.
Pink sneaker, 13. Girl socks.
I'm sure it's at the end because that's
Zelda's dress was $15 fucking dollars.
$15.
Well, it's probably the ladies' wear.
I'm sure it
'Cause
is.
where's yours?
Where's mine?
Site merch, $8.98.
That's mine.
Yeah, so I guess ladies' wear is just the fucking hat.
$14.